Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and you're watching day 23 of the Hemline Grotto Sewing Advent Calendar. Okay. Yep. It is definitely getting real. It's happening. In one breath, I'm prepared, and in another breath, I'm not. All I can think of is all the stuff I still have to do. You know, have I made everything that needs to be made? Ooh, have I laid down everything that needs to be made? Do I have everything that I need to make XYZ? At least for this holiday, I know I've got a working stove. So far so good, you know. Day 23, right here. Glass head pins. And they're just kind of loose. Okay, that one, and I'm not going to pour them out to show you, but should have at least been in a little bag or something, I think. So, Hemline, you fell down on the job there. But pins are always handy. And I have a couple pincushion dolls. I love pincushion dolls. And what I may do with these is, you know, kind of decorate. I like using the colored ones. Alright, so let's put this in here upside down. And we'll open the last box tomorrow. There it is right there. I have to wonder what it is. We'll find out soon. Be sure to like and share. Find us on Facebook under Crazy Dave's Crew. Be sure to check out the Amazon shop down below. You know, I don't know if y'all get Christmas money. Sometimes I get Christmas money. And I get to buy whatever I want, of course, with it. So be sure to check out some of our items. It may be what you want to buy with whatever Christmas money you may get. Or, you know, from returning things or something. But check out our Amazon shop. Check out our Shopify. And come back tomorrow for day 24, the last day of the sewing calendar. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you come back tomorrow. Thanks for watching.